Hi there, students. Glint, a glint. To glint, a verb. So a verb, an accountable noun. Okay, a glint is a small reflection of light. A sparkle, if you like. So if something glints in the sunshine, it produces little reflections of light. The moonlight glinted on the surface of the lake. Yeah, I could see glints of light coming from the ring on her finger. Somebody's eyes could glint. There was a glint in his eyes when he said to her, "You're so beautiful." Yeah, his eyes were glinting with laughter. So here glint, somebody's eyes are bright and they are expressing a strong emotion. Okay, so I could see the glint of coins in his hand. He had a mischievous glint in his eye. So it's like a small reflection, a momentary flash of light, a sparkle. Let's see if there's a glint of sunshine through the clouds. Yeah, a small flash. And then you could use this more metaphorically. Do you think there's a glint of hope? Yeah, a brief indication that maybe there's a reason to be hopeful. Yeah, so yeah, a glint of emotion in someone's eyes. When I told the kids that I was going to bring them a present when I came home, I could see a glint of excitement in their eyes. Okay, so to reflect, to give a brilliant reflection, or to glint, to appear briefly. So I finally saw the first glint of understanding in the students. It's sort of like a little tiny sudden flash of light. Yeah, but it's a glint of understanding. Yeah, a brief indication of something. Yeah, a glint of hope. There was suddenly some reason to be hopeful that it wasn't going to be as bad as I thought. Okay, so to glint, this is like a little tiny shine, a reflection, a flash, a gleam, a twinkle. There was a glint in his eye. There was a twinkle in his eye. Yeah, there were glints of sunshine off the sea. Yeah, so it's just a glimmer, a little piece. Do you think there's a glimmer of hope? Do you think there is a glint of hope? Yeah, to emit in a sudden quick ray. Yeah, to glisten, I guess, as well. The windows glinted in the night. I could see a glint of light from the windows, which indicated there was somebody in the house. Yeah, there was a glint of anger in his eyes, a sudden flash. Okay, so glint, formality. I think I'm going to give it 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. So that's a good thing. And then as to origin, it comes from the Scottish word glint. Yeah, which probably comes from Old Norse, from Proto-Germanic glintana or glintiana. To shine, from Proto-Indo-European glay, to shine. Okay, so yeah, there is a glint of hope. There's a glint of hope on the horizon. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Glint.